let us take one more example. In this example, we have to arrange the fractions in ascending order. In this, we have to arrange these fractions from smallest to largest. Okay. If we see here, denominators are different and numerators also are different. So, how can we arrange these fractions in ascending order? First of all, we need to convert these fractions into like fractions. But how can we convert these fractions into like fractions? We need to find LCM of denominators, and here we can see denominators are 3, 4 and 6. So first of all, we need to find LCM of 3, 4 and 6. So let us find LCM of 3, 4 and 6. Now here we can see 3 is a prime number, but 4 and 6 both are even numbers. So we can divide 4 and 6 by 2. So write here 2, but we cannot divide 3 by 2. So write here as it is. And when we divide 4 by 2, we will get 2. So write here 2 and here will be 3. Now here we have 3, here 2 and here 3. So here we can write 2 and 3 as it is. Here 1 and here 3 will be as it is. Now we can divide by 3. When we divide 3 by 3, we will get 1. And here 1 will be as it is. And here we will get 1. Now stop here and write LCM. LCM of 3, 4 and 6. Now we have to multiply these numbers. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 jar 4, 4 3 jar 12. So here LCM is 12. Now we need to convert these fractions into like fractions. But how? We need to convert these fractions into equivalent fractions. Okay? Equivalent fractions with denominator 12. So let us start. We have 2 by 3 as a first fraction. So write here 2 by 3 is equal to something by 12. Okay. Now I am writing equivalent fraction of 2 by 3 with denominator 12. Now let us see how can we get 12 from 3 by multiplying with 4. Okay. When we multiply 3 by 4, we will get 12. So now we have to multiply numerator also by 4. Then we will get 8. Now here 8 by 12 is an equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. Now we have to write equivalent fraction of 5 by 4. So write here 5 by 4 is equal to something by 12. Now we know 4 3s are 12. If we multiply 4 by 3, then we get 12. So we have to multiply numerator also by 3. Then we will get 15. Okay. 5 3 jar 15 and 4 3 jar 12. Here 15 by 12 is an equivalent fraction of 5 by 4. Now we have to write equivalent fraction of 1 by 6 with denominator 12. So write here 1 by 6 is equal to something by 12. And how can we get 12 from 6? By multiplying with 2. If we multiply 6 by 2, we will get 12. So we have to multiply numerator also by 2. And when we multiply 1 by 2, we will get 2. Now here 2 by 12 is an equivalent fraction of 1 by 6. Now 8 by 12, 15 by 12 and 2 by 12. These are like fractions, and 8 by 12 is an equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. 15 by 12 is an equivalent fraction of 5 by 4. And 2 by 12 is an equivalent fraction of 1 by 6. Now let us compare these fractions. Okay. Now we can compare easily because now these are like fractions. So write these fractions here. Write here 8 by 12, 15 by 12 and 2 by 12. Now we have to compare these fractions. Okay. First of all, we will arrange these fractions in ascending order. Okay. So here denominators are same. So we know if in 2 or more fractions, if denominators are same, then we need to check only numerator, and the fraction with smaller numerator will be smaller. So here we can see 2 is smallest. So 2 by 12 is the smallest fraction. Now between 8 and 15, 8 is smaller. Okay. So now we have to write 2 by 12 smaller than 8 by 12. And after that we have to write 15 by 12. Now these fractions are arranged in ascending order. But these fractions are not given in our question. Okay. We have these fractions. So we have to arrange these fractions in ascending order. So now we will write answer. We know 2 by 12 is an equivalent fraction of 1 by 6. So here we will write 1 by 6. We can write 1 by 6 for this. And after this we have 8 by 12. And we know 8 by 12 is an equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. So here we have to write 2 by 3. And here sign this sign. Okay. 1 by 6 is less than 2 by 3. Now we have 15 by 12. And we know 15 by 12 is an equivalent fraction of 5 by 4. So here we can write 5 by 4. Okay. And here put sign. Now we can say that 1 by 6 is smaller than 2 by 3. And 2 by 3 is smaller than 5 by 4. Okay. So now these fractions are arranged in ascending order. Okay. I hope you all have understood it.